Good boy, Sunshine. Good boy.
It's under the bench. And it's captured by the box.
Good boy. Nice dog. Nice dog. Yes, you are. Look at you, what a good dog you are. Nice boy. Nice boy. Not too much attention. Not too much. Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. When you hear me praising him, I want you to repeat it. Haha. What's that? You got your squeaky toy. What a good dog you are. Nice boy. Yeah, it's not the noise. It's not the sound. It's not the loudness. It's not the decibels. Good dog. Good dog. Nice boy.
Thank you. He's just saying hi. He just come over to say hi. How are you? He said hi. How are you? Would you like? Thunderstorm is going. Anti-cesar is going. Anti. You have to put his food in the refrigerator, and you have to wait till the storm to pass. Last night, we couldn't eat for a while, and then pretty soon he comes in to me, and he's licking his mouth. And
good boy. Nice dog. Nice dog. That's a good fella.
That's a boy.
Good. That's enough. Don't pay no more attention. Good.
Don't you feel sorry for the folks who have been sitting here enjoying the day? It's dry as a bone.
If we didn't have this little covered spot, we wouldn't be sitting out here.
That's for sure.
So I'm amazed at how cold it gets. You see, and then it's getting warm again, and then it gets cold. The clouds are thick enough, it'll block out the sun. That would be the source of our heat. I like it. That sun shining.
All right, now listen to me. You start in the pant, you see that? Good boy. Nice dog. Nice dog. Nice dog. Good. 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 And you could clap your hands the next time, Barbara, when I tell you. Good boy. Nice dog. Nice dog. Nice dog. Well, I'm going to tell you when, if I need you to, all right? Or you can shake that can over there. It's fine, too. Okay, give me a sound. Good boy. Nice dog. That's a good fella. Good. 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 Good boy. Nice dog. That's a good fella. Good. Is he touching your leg? Good boy. Good boy. Nice dog. Nice dog. Nice dog. Good. Good. Good.
That's scary. That's the loudest I've ever heard, I think.
It is something in the neighborhood.
You think it hit something?
And he's